everybody. Assalamu alaikum, and hope to see a lot of you interact. Jazakallah khair for being part of this session. Let's get started. I think have we been long time haven't met you. काफी वक्त हो गया बच्चों से तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह interaction होता रहता है, and I'm very happy with that part where the children are always there, and it's always interesting to see the children जिसको मैं डांट सकता हूँ, force कर सकता हूँ कि कैमरा ऑन करो, मुझे मिलो, but it's okay. I think most of you are reflection of your children, so I know where they're learning from. But I hope to see some of you join in and have the discussion. Today's session, first of all, I'm very proud that I've got parents who always are welcoming. Good to see, Alhamdulillah, and fantastic. I know I'll not pull your legs if I can see some of you eating also. But now I'll come and ask you, kya kha rahe ho aap log, right? But today's session is divided into three parts. The first part is the most interesting part I'm excited about, जहां हम लोग एक दूसरे से बात करेंगे. And some of you ask me, and the best part is you are questioning, like your children, why is this panel discussion for? How did it start? And I'll tell you how did it start also, right? The idea of this panel discussion came from knowing your expectation. So जो 5 panelists को हमने choose किया है, don't worry, not because of their high grades. ऐसा नहीं है इंशाल्लाह. I think बशीर भाई, it's just okay. Other parents are also good. या नहीं, ये 5 लोग ने सबसे पहले फीस पे कर दी, ये वाला भी ऐसा कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं है, राइट? Don't worry about that also. It's just that we thought you have someone, lot of things that you can contribute to. आपके conversation में हमको लगा कि you can share a lot, and it's a varied experience. The others are someone I know a little bit more, especially you say Imran Bhai or Danish or Israr Bhai. They're also parents, but since I interact a lot with them, Amir is there. आप लोग chip in at any point. The panel discussion is open to everybody. I'll probably open up the conversation also. So पहला part हम panel discussion के बारे में बात करेंगे, and I'll keep sharing what are the key topics and the outcome क्या है. Second thing that we're going to discuss about are few of the changes we keep bringing. One of the things that we've seen is every few months we keep doing something different. Some things are very successful, others are average, but we keep pushing ourselves, we keep trying to do these events. So the second part will be any from the vacation to the exams to what is happening in the education world, we will be sharing that with you. And the final thing is we're going to create a breakout room where since there are mothers and fathers who like to interact with the teachers, the fathers probably will share here, and I'll put the mothers in a breakout room to start talking and interacting and complain about all the fathers if you want to. So once again, I just wanted to see if all my panelists are here. Bashir Bhai, I'll just take a quick attendance. He's there, Alhamdulillah. I can see Dr. Mumtaz, sister, you are there. Can I see Shamila ma'am and Menaz Abba? All right, both of you here. Kasim Bhai, are you around? Can you give us a wave? Can I have some symbol from you? Don't worry, I have my backup. All right, there you are. Okay, I was missing Humaira's picture. There she is. Humaira's picture. Kasim Bhai, good to see all of you. Fair enough. The way of the panel is, I will introduce my fellow moderators now. So my attendee and fellow moderator Munib Sayed from Mandela. Can you please introduce the panel and the fellow Mandelas that you have got? Munib, the floor is yours.
1 minute.
After all, he's Israr Bhai's son. No, our chit nikalega ho. Yeah, Munib, go ahead. I'm waiting for you.
Hello everyone. How are you all parents doing? Are you ready for the panel? Let me introduce my classmates and also known as Mandela. We have Mausam and Mudabbir, the M&M. Then we have Farhana Patel. We have Safia White, Saklin Sayyed, Humaira Qazi, Ahmed Qazi, Amina Aga, and myself, Munib Sayyed. We have great teachers like Alfia ma'am, Shabana ma'am, Shruti ma'am, and Aparna ma'am.
Thank you so much, Munib. That's a gist of your Mandelas. And I think my Mandelas will be joining it for asking questions. Since we have only 5 panelists, we could pick up 5. But I hope everyone can be participant in it because they will see the parents' discussion. So let's begin our 5, first of the 3 round, the first of the 3 part. The reason for today's panel discussion, and I'll open the floor to ask you your questions and suggestions, is to understand what you think about education, your views, and how has Golden Sparrow aided in the views, how have we become a part of the thinking, and what can we do better. So once again, I welcome all of you. Dr. Mumtaz, thank you so much. Bashir Bhai, Qasim Bhai, thank you so much. Shamila ma'am and Menaz ma'am, thank you so much, all of you, for being part of it. Can I have a welcome note from all of you? I would love that a small introduction that you can start with yourself. Just, maybe what you did, what are you currently doing? I think all of you are into corporate, into entrepreneurship. Can I begin with you, Dr. Mumtaz?
Yeah, I'm Dr. Mumtaz Sharif. I'm a pediatrician, a child specialist, and I am also a professor, that is a medical teacher in a medical college. I teach MBBS and MD students, and I also have my own clinical practice in Nerol. And my kids are always, since from the nursery, they are associated with Daud Bhai. So I'm enjoying it.
Thank you so much. Once again, welcome. I think every one of us have been to a clinic at some point. No, नहीं दावत देने कभी नहीं गए हम, प्रॉब्लम में आते तभी उनको ढूंढते हम लोग. But Jazakallah, I think she's been always there helping us, guiding us on phone, on around, and more popular than her. We'll talk about Sharif Bhai a little later, who's more popular in our friend circle. But they are an amazing parent, alhamdulillah. So thank you so much once again. Bashir Bhai, can I quickly have
Thank
your
you.
introduction? Can just unmute yourself, right? 1 minute. No, Bashir. Yeah. Now go ahead. Can you speak, Bashir Bhai? Yeah, we can hear you now. Please go ahead. Bashir Bhai, could you be a little more audible? I will come back to you. Your mic. No, we can't hear you, Bashir Bhai. I'm sorry. There's some issue with the mic. I'm coming back to you. Don't worry. Just sort it out, and I'll just come back to you. Meanwhile, can I jump to Qasim Bhai if he's around? Yes. Bashir Bhai, can you just sort it out? Just call Saklen. He's your go-to man. Qasim Bhai, can I have a small introduction and a hello from
Yeah,
you?
am I?
Yes.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, absolutely. Loud and clear.
Thank you very much. So, hello everyone. My name is Mohammed Qasim, and I'm an IT professional from last 15 years. In the meanwhile, I'm also a certified trainer to Microsoft. I've been teaching in Microsoft for the last 5 years. Training being my passion. That's it all about me.
Okay, a very humble, short introduction, but there's more to Qasim Bhai. Someone who I respect his views. There are a few things I always have reached out to him. A good father, very doting father. And what you don't know about him is he was about to go to Greece and Italy just before the Corona.
Yeah, it was Greece.
It was Greece. हम उनसे दूर दूर तक भी मिलने वाले नहीं थे उसके बाद. But now I think I'll become friends with him again when the lockdown's over. Thank you so much, Qasim Bhai. Once again, welcome to the panel. Sister Shamila, can I have your introduction and a quick hello from you? Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamila Kazi, and I am a mother of 4. Nothing more to introduce. I'm just a homemaker. So that's it.
All right, wonderful. From one mother who's managing all the kids, we'll come to the parenting sister, inshallah. A lot of questions will be directed to you. But once again, Jazakallah khair. The 3 of the kids that I've met for the first time are amazing, alhamdulillah. And we look forward to hear you and Asif Bhai at some point of time, inshallah. Our final panelist for today, I think I'll come to Bashir Bhai. After that is Menaz Appa. Sister Menaz, if you can introduce yourself and please.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Yeah, Jazakallah for including us in this panel. And I'm Mehnaz Qazi, mother of 3 kids, homemaker, alhamdulillah. And I think that's all I can say, like Sister Shamila. That's the job.
It's an overtime job, not even a full-time job.
Yeah,
so welcome,
definitely.
welcome to the panel, and alhamdulillah, great to have you here. Bashir Bhai, can I quickly have your quick introduction before we start with shooting our questions to you? Could you just unmute yourself?
Yeah. Is it clear now? Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, yeah, you're audible now. Wonderful.
Okay, fine. Okay. The camera is also not clear. I'm sorry for that. Daud Bhai.
No, absolutely okay.
Okay, fine. I'm Syed Bashir, Saklin's dad, and I'm a diploma holder in mechanical, and I'm a partner in two engineering firms. One deals in oil and gas, and the other one in purely manpower placement. Daudbhai, I think, okay. And Daudbhai, I'd like to thank you for inviting me as a panelist. I was never a part of any panelist group before, discussion before, so this is the first time I've been invited. And so there are high chances that I may say something irrelevant or out of topic, but surely I'll try to have a healthy discussion and give my valuable views.
I think you all have a lot of things to share. Probably I'll have to be truncated in my questions. But Jazakallah once again, and thank you so much for all of you. The panel is very simple. It's divided into three parts, and there is one surprise for all of you. The first three parts are parenting, education, and career. Three areas that probably I could say are the pillars of any education, and that's what we believe in Golden Sparrow. How are you being parented and how are you parenting makes a big difference in the students that we have. And number two, the education, how you perceive the vision. And of course, you can also ask, but today is my turn to ask you questions. And finally, the career that we are choosing around. In between, I've got other friends around. It's Amir, Danish, Ashfaq, Imran. All of you, please chip in whenever there are pointers. Good, since I see you, Danish, after a long time, can I only have a hello from you also? It's so tempting not to meet you after all this time, Danish.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum everybody. I think it's a hello and good to be here. I think back after a long time.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Danish is actually a consultant now, so we'll have a lot of things to ask him as well. Thank you, Danish. Jazakallah. Amir, hello from you also. Amir Rizwani.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm audible?
Yes, Amir, loud and clear.
It's good to see everybody right now. अभी मीटिंग देखेंगे माशाल्लाह, बहुत खुशी हो रही है आप सबसे मिलने के बाद में.
थैंक यू सो मच. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. आमिर, मैन ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स, मौका ही नहीं मिलता घर में बात करने को. सिस्टर मदिया जब रहती है तो
हाँ, सिस्टर मदिया जब रहती है तो हम बात नहीं करते.
ऑलराइट, लेट्स थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी. थोड़े सवाल हैं, छोटे छोटे सवाल है, बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि जस्ट एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ इन द बेस्ट वेज. आई विल स्टार्ट विद यू कासिम भाई एंड सिस्टर शमीला. जस्ट वेरी सिंपली, if I had to ask your parents to describe you as a child, anyone can take the lead. How would have they described you? I know your kids, so Sister Shamila, आपके लिए तो simple सवाल है. Would you be Ahmed, Rujda, or Khadija? How would you be as a child?
Actually, Ahmed represents me a lot in my childhood.
Okay, we already scared of you now.
Sorry?
We already scared of you now.
No. Well, I was. Truly, I see myself. I see Ahmed in myself in Ahmed.
Oh, wonderful, alhamdulillah.
So yeah, I can. Yeah, he's very much like me.
Okay, so I'll ask the teachers who are there. Shabana ma'am can just chip in. How is Ahmed now? Ahmed, are you around? He has some questions also to ask some of the panelists. So Shabana ma'am can just chip in and tell me how is Ahmed as a student? So then we'll know how Shamila ma'am is. Okay, don't worry, Ahmed, since you're around, I think I'll come back for that part. But now what we understand is, Qasim bhai, how were you as a child? Were you Humaira?
In terms of confidence, yes. I mean, that's how my parents would have also described me, smart and a confident student or confident kid. And in terms of Humaira, I do see that confidence level, because even I was not an excellent scorer, because at that time the chase was all about the score, the run, the marks, right? So I was not an excellent scorer at that time, but still being an average student, it didn't stop me to try out multiple things. And I believe Humaira will also do the same thing, inshallah.
Wow. I'll tell you at the end of the session, each one, why are these questions directed? There's something very deep what you're answering. Trust me. Ahmed, you should be very proud. Your mom sees herself in you, and I think you are very bright. If Humaira is listening, I think these are children who see themselves and they're hearing you. Your words mean a lot to them and to us also. Quickly jumping to you, Dr. Mumtaz, how would you describe your childhood? What perhaps are your best memories?
My childhood, of course, there was lots of variability, ups and downs. Sometimes I was very good, sometimes I was average, sometimes I failed. So overall, I was a very stubborn person. Stubborn is like what I want. I was clear about it and I wanted it. No matter what the world would say, no matter what my parents would say. And my dad always supported me for that. So my mom used to always say कि लड़की को बिगाड़ दिया है. But I think
शरीफ
she
भाई
would
अभी
always
चैट में लिख रहे हैं कि बिल्कुल सही कहा आपके अब्बा ने.
अच्छा. So, but then I chose him, so he would not write that.
Okay, all right. Mashallah. Okay.
I was always stubborn. If I wanted this color dress, so I wanted this color dress. I wanted to go here, so I wanted to go here. Otherwise, I had no other thing. I was a very average student initially. Then after my 8th standard or something, then I had a focus that I want to become a doctor, and then I became more interested in studying. Otherwise, I was just studying because I had to study. My mom would force me to study. And I would not get very good grades.
I think what you just mentioned, the real backing of a parent, कितना मायने रखता है, कितना फर्क आता है. What you said, your father encouraged you. You know, we are fathers here. These are the pointers that we're looking into parenting. I think wonderful. Can I quickly come to you, Bashir bhai? Just tell me, how did your schooling shape you as a person?
Schooling well, Daud bhai. My childhood was amazing. I'm like it was full of fun. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have
We
some
can hear you.
internet problem over. Like,
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Right. We can
Well,
hear you.
I was an average student, and if I had studied, then I would have done better. But to be frank, I was not much interested in studies. You know, it was I was more into dramas, dance, and other sports activities.
Okay. All right.
So
Interesting.
still, technically, I was very much interested. So that was the reason for choosing engineering as a career. I was more interested towards technical thing. Well, and I think that's all.
Well, this is good. Sister Mehnaz, I'll quickly come to you with a very difficult question.
Yeah.
Are you a parent who's constantly worried of your child's performance? Are you always looking, what is Mustafa doing? Did he get a goal? Or another part, if there's a parent among here who is like that, what advice will you give us?
I think being a mom, that comes naturally. The worrying part, I think that goes without saying.
All right, this is interesting.
But having said that, I used to be obsessed, whether what they are doing is correct or not. But then I realized that that's a kind of pressure on them. I think with time that has been lessened, and I think being a parent, we know our children's capabilities. So I think we want them to do good, and by thinking that if they are doing good or not, and pressurizing them, I think we are being hard on them. So the worrying part has lessened a bit from before, and I think the parents should chill out a bit.
All right. No, I think I'll just move to you, Sister Mehnaz. The worry comes naturally, you said, to a mother. We got a pediatrician to answer that first. So I'll go to that, being a mother of 3 boys. And I can see I can see Usman, जिसकी हम फीस नहीं लेते पर हर सेशन में रहता है वो, right? So how is it to be mom of 3 boys, Dr. Mumtaz, growing up?
3 boisterous boys.
Boisterous boys, okay.
It is a once in a lifetime experience. So as Mehnaz said rightly, that it is natural tendency of a mother to worry. But then I realized that if I'm worried, I fill up my major capacity with worry, then I'm not going to enjoy their childhood.
Okay.
So what I did was I left this and I said, let's enjoy their childhood because I'm not going to get it later on. So now it's like I've started easing down, and it's basically, I think it happens after the 3rd child. Mehnaz ke saath bhi wahi hua hoga.
Yeah, I'm much more relaxed. I think the patience
after the 3rd child, like just give up.
ये डॉक्टर खाली मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, जितने ज्यादा बच्चे होंगे तो 3rd का मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर. But from boys to girls, okay, I can see a mother here with 3 girls. Sister Kainat, how does it change? Are girls any different? I know Aisha now, so go ahead.
Yeah, no, I think we are blessed to have 3 girls. It's I totally agree with Dr. Mumtaz. It's wonderful seeing them grow each day, and I think due to the pandemic, they are with us 24/7. So we feel like we are tracking each and every progress that they are doing, not in terms of academic, definitely, but otherwise, the other skills that they are learning, and especially like Amina is Alhamdulillah 11, Aisha is 9, and Asma is 5. So I think both of us are enjoying, and we share with each other like, okay, this is what Asma said today. If she commented on something, this is what how Aisha reacted or Amina reacted. I think I
That's
totally
good
agree
to
with
hear.
Dr. Mumtaz. We are enjoying their childhood.
Alhamdulillah, I'm seeing very positive parenting here. So Shamila, juggling 4 kids now. So you have taken, how does that happen? As a parent, are you constantly worried about them, or the younger one takes most of the time to worry about? You left Rujida and Ahmed to be worrying about themselves.
Well, I had never been worried about my kids' academics, I can say, because well, I was a brilliant student in my childhood, and what I thought, what I believe was like marks doesn't matter. What matter is how the child develops, basically, how they are experimenting, how much they're learning. So we cannot judge a child, basically. Every child has a different capacity. So for me, it doesn't matter, and I don't worry about that. What I worry about is how to raise a good child. I mean, well behaved, and for me, religion matters the most. So I really don't worry much about the academics. Yes, but I do want them to be good in their academics. I want them to have good careers, and but it's okay. I mean, careers, everything is like it just runs down back to, one thing I have realized after my 37 years, that it's just about earning money. Career for me is just earning money.
All right,
But
I'll come to
other
the
than
career
that,
part. Yes.
yeah, other than that, I think if a child knows how to handle situation much better,
True.
it affects a lot.
Wonderful.
So
I think you summarized something beautifully. Faith, and faith gives you that confidence, the grit. Ideally, these are skills that our kids need, and that's wonderful. I'll just quickly keep jumping to parents. Kasim bhai, as a father, I see you a very involved father. So between you and your spouse, who worries more about the child, and then what do you do about it?
Okay. So between me and my spouse, like she does worry about the kids in terms of the culture, in terms of taking care of the belongings. But being more learned at home, I do take care of the academic. I do take care of their development in the school. That's what my main focus is. So because I don't being available at home all the time, I ensure that I watch what they are learning in terms of their exams, what are they preparing. But being my wife at home, she takes care of the culture and how they are developing in terms of as a person.
Okay, I'll come to the fathers here. I wanted some advice. How has the pandemic been on fathers? As mothers, I wanted first answer for them. Have you seen fathers being more involved because we are at home, or you feel the pandemic jaldi khatam ho jaye, wo hum apni jagah mein chale jaएं? Can I have any mother, anybody from the panelists, from otherwise, please answer, except Tarannum Appa, because I know her answer. Ashfaq, Ashfaq, are you around? Can I have a quick word from Tarannum Appa if she is there? But the panelists, please, Sister Mehnaz, Sister Shamila, how has the father's role been? And Bashir bhai, I will get the validation from you at the end of what's. I want quickly my panelists mention that father's involvement, has it improved in the pandemic?
well, yes, of course.
Okay.
My husband has been more involved in his. He's always been involved, I
Are
can
you
say.
saying it because
But
you just went to Alibag? Asif bhai took you all.
no, actually, he's a very family kind of a person. He's more oriented towards family. I have never. I mean, he goes out, but generally he's more towards family. So yes, and during pandemic, of course, he's been more involved.
That's
So
wonderful. So Asif bhai gets a 5 star. How about Samir bhai, Sister Mehnaz? Does he also get a 5 star? 4
Yes.
dete? You can be. You can,
Four and a half, I think.
okay, all right. So 4.5. Why do you say that? How is he involved for
Yeah,
Aisha and
he's
Mustafa?
very involved with their studies. Alhamdulillah, that is
Alhamdulillah.
their.
Good to
He
see
takes
that.
care of their maths aspect because he is more, yeah, that's his forte. That's his, strength. So I give him that duty. You can take care of their maths, and then
That's nice.
their grandparents are also involved with them. So Alhamdulillah, it's a total overall development. Alhamdulillah. And yeah, being the pandemic and staying at home for a longer period of time frustrates the fathers. I'm sure there are many of them
Yeah,
because
everyone
stuck
has
at
ups
home.
and
Yeah,
downs, right?
yeah. So I think that the 4.5 is because of that. Otherwise,
Acha, oh,
Alhamdulillah.
Adha.
I
That's
want to
that's
add
nice.
something.
Yes,
I want
please,
to add
Sister Shamila.
something.
Right?
Asif would like to stay at home most of the times.
Given the opportunity.
He would not like to go to the office. So.
Right. Asif bhai, this being recorded, I'll speak to him when I meet him in WeWork. Dr. Mumtaz, how much Sharif
Oh,
bhai guess? 1 star, 2 star,
it
6
was a
stars?
it was different experience because he takes care of the sports. So
Yes.
during the pandemic, the children could not go out. So that part was lagging, but it was studies. Kids won't listen to him because he is for play. So for
Okay.
fathers के साथ पढ़ना is not possible for them.
Okay.
So it's only I have to manage the studies. But yeah, when he was there, now he's joined his back office. But when he was there, he would see to it that materials are available. I did not have to, think about कि घर में कोई नहीं है to give them. But now when he's joined back, I think a lot of deficiencies are coming. Like this is not there, that is not there, and he's always like even at 12 o'clock in the night, if I tell him that this thing is not there and kal abhi 10 baje class hai, he would run at 12 o'clock,
I
find
know.
a shop, open
That
the
in
shop,
itself deserves 6 stars.
get it.
Yes, absolutely. I know one of the classes was Curie, and we had a 20 rupee buzzer kharidna tha, but Sharif bhai went and bought a 200 rupee buzzer. I think I'll still use it for my classes, but that's something. Yeah, I can have. This is the end of parenting round. I saw a lot of involved parents. Yes, summarize your Bashir bhai and any father. I would like to say, as father's perspective.
I would.
Yes, I want to hear you, please.
I would like to add something in this. And
Yes.
in this pandemic, we get enough time to interact with each other, the family members, and we spend much time with each other. But the worst part is that every day has become a weekend. Earlier I used to be very strict when it comes to time management and all. But then now I've also become like my kids. I'm like we are waking up till 12 o'clock watching TVs and all. So it's become a daily. It's like a weekend. Every day has become a weekend, So that is not good. Which is not good. Actually.
Scheduling time is something, an advice you're giving to fathers. Fair enough.
That was the reason I always discuss with you like when the school is starting and all, So
okay,
that
I have that as a part of the solution that we're providing. Alhamdulillah, parenting mein jo maine dekha hai, and I'm proud of having parents like you, very involved parents. I think most of you will give 5. Asim, तुमको कितने मिलेंगे भाई? घर से अगर मैं पूछूं सिस्टर रुखसार को, तो how many will you get as scores? Asim, unmute yourself. You're muted. Asim, तुम muted हो भाई. Sorry.
Sorry, मैं पूरा क्रेडिट मेरे आपको दूंगा.
Okay.
बैक साइड से मैं पूरा क्रेडिट मेरे तरफ से मेरे वाइफ चाहिए. वो बच्चे को पढ़ा तो हैंडल करती है. किस तरह वो पढ़ाना है, कब पढ़ाना है, कैसे शेड्यूल करना है, वो सब वही हैंडल करती है. तो बच्चों को ऊपर से ये सपोर्ट करता है, जो भी करना है, जो भी लाना है, मटेरियल लाना है, जो भी बाहर से खाना है, वो कर लेता है. बाकी स्टडी वाइज ठीक है. ऑल
माशाल्लाह आसिम, वेरी घर में अच्छा नाश्ता तो मिल ही जाएगा तुमको इस आंसर से. बट आई एम प्राउड दैट एज अ पेरेंट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो हमने डिस्कस किया, व्हाट आई रियलाइज इज योर इन्वॉल्वमेंट मेक्स चाइल्ड्स कॉन्फिडेंस. One of the things that we really conclude is, yes, what Bashir bhai said, time management is the key. Pandemic is continuing. अगले 3 महीने या 4 महीने जो मैं बताने वाला हूँ आपको कि it is online classes despite the fact that some eases are going on. So do not think that these are just vacation, extended vacation. Real learning is happening, and your involvement as a parent in opening up a book, asking what is happening, makes a big difference. So just moving on from parenting session, just quickly some sessions around. I wanted to go to a session on education. Small short questions. I'll quickly ask you since you were Qasim bhai, very small. If you could change one thing about Golden Sparrow, what would that be? No, these are honest suggestions I want. If you want a suggestion in that way, what would that be? कोई एक चीज़ अगर बदलना चाहते हैं तो.
One thing would be, my opinion would be like a meeting point at a certain point of kids will be really helpful over here. That's what I would think, because I was also talking to Shabana ma'am some time back, and I was telling her that it's been a good time that we have spent online, and now we should come up with some kind of an hybrid model, maybe where kids are there at the online classes, but then they do meet up in a week, once in a week or twice in a week at a certain venue. That will help kids to develop the culture, meet each other, get their bonding in terms of the culture. That's what I would suggest.
Brilliant suggestion. We have an in-house pediatrician. I always tell that once Dr. Mumtaz gives me a green signal, I will make sure the kids meet up. But same question I pass on to all of you. Sister Mehnaz, if I were to ask you this, what is that one thing would you like to change or add or improve about Golden Sparrow right now?
Yeah, I think what Brother Qasim said, meeting once a week is a very good idea. Right now, I think it's alhamdulillah going on fine, so I wouldn't change anything right now.
Okay, so I can hear some feedback. Also, please speak up, use the chat.
Yes, we are meeting today.
Yeah. We are, yes. So we started with a trial version of a football match today at 9. Let's see how it goes around with a small group. And honestly, if this goes well, inshallah, we will start planning having more regular meetups. Yes, Bashir bhai, go ahead.
Yeah,
Yes,
I would like to say something.
please, please.
It's been like almost 26 years that I've completed my education, and then the education pattern has changed drastically.
Okay, yes,
Am I
yes.
audible?
Yeah, go ahead, yes.
The syllabus, entire academic curriculum has changed over a period of time.
Correct.
And many new subjects have been introduced. So, some are mandatory, some are career oriented. So I personally feel that the career oriented subject should be more focused, and the few more subjects should be added, like human values and all. And as far as Golden Sparrow is concerned, geography was my favorite subject, Daud bhai. So I would like to, have Sakleen to learn more about geography. It's interesting, and I would love to teach geography to the Sparrows, and football as well.
No, I think you're welcome for the football match. I can see Farooq Bhai and Asma Appa's feedback on more writing work. Okay, let's take that. Very quickly, let me go to you, Sister Shamila. Same question, but if you were to teach a subject, what kind of subject would you like to teach? So that's also like a subject you'll introduce. Don't worry, we'll not come to you and ask you to teach.
I would not like to teach, a particular subject, but I would like to teach it in a different way. I would like a child to be treated as an individual rather than basically what my aim was to be joining with Golden Sparrow was every child would be challenged according to their capacities. So I think that is what we need to be improving or maybe adding in Golden Sparrow, that the children needs to be what I feel is lagging is that my children won't have that much of what do I say? They're not challenged much. I feel they have more capacity, but they are not challenged. So if you can increase the level of challenging them, that would be great. And whatever they teach, every child has different passions. So you teach according to the child's passions, and harness their qualities basically.
Brilliant point. I've just made a note of it. Actually, I wrote it in the chat. I think these are some very important points you're mentioning. I'll just quickly go to Dr. Mumtaz and ask the same question. Oh, hold on. I think there's Usman around. So take your time. It's a small community we're building. How did we... Honestly, we tried all our best to make a community with games, having sessions with calling you, children with the medals. Dr. Mumtaz, did we achieve some part of building this community together? In what ways we did good, in what ways we lacked? Please share.
Yes, you did make us feel like a community. In fact, when there was a function where we gave gold medal to the kids, Umar was so involved in that he did not even bother, parents were secondary. His Golden Sparrow family was first for him. So he was so involved. One point I thought he likes the teachers more than the parents maybe. So
that is true. Alhamdulillah.
That was true. That
Alhamdulillah, even my kids are very happy.
He was more close to his teachers and his Golden Sparrow group than us.
That's so wonderful. It's so heartwarming. I'll open the same thing to everybody. In fact, I just wanted to ask Qasim by this question. A lot of people know each other here. You join and you did mention that I'm an outsider. I hope you don't feel the same way. But did we do enough to make you, your family, feel part of the community of Golden Sparrow? Both of you, I could just put on the question. Qasim bhai, would you like to answer first?
Alhamdulillah, I would say Golden Sparrow has more potential to come out, which didn't, to be honest, I'm saying because of this online session, we couldn't meet each other. Otherwise, the effort would have definitely got to the destiny, like a lot of people would have added to the bonding. When I say I myself was from outside when I joined to this particular community, but still being an online, I still recognize a lot of parents, and I, being part of a lot of meeting, I do realize, okay, these are parents of so and so student. But inshallah, if we get to meet in terms of different venues, probably I'll be into more touch with most of them.
Okay. I think Jazakallah, I take your feedback. I take a lot of inputs. Anybody would like to add inputs, you are welcome. We'll open the floor also. But these are only 2 rounds, and trust me, I value your time. We have a small special trivia round that my Mandelas have prepared for you. So be prepared. But 2 notes, 2 very simple announcement. एक सारे announcement एक साथ में नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. Whatever 2 things that you mentioned, this is something we looked into it. Something that you said challenge the students enough according to the ages. We realized we clubbed some of the kids could have been into better groups. We could push them more, we could ease them more. So from 15th of December, we're starting 5 groups now. So there is already a Tagore that you saw. So there'll be Tagores of everyone who's going to write their 10th examination, the board examination in 2022. So there's a Tagore which has got now 6 children. Then along with Tagore, the current Mandela will be having some more kids, but there is Wright, Newton, and Curie. The Curies, the youngest one, again are going to divide it into 2 parts. Some of the Curies can write well, so they're going to be up to Newton. The Wrights are continuing to be there. There's some children, your kids are also around. I'll give you the list of it. That's one part. Hopefully, we will challenge them enough. We'll push them enough. And inshallah, along with having the same ethos, they should have fun. They should not look at it as an assignment. Thank you, Asma sister. If you wrote about writing, Farooq Bhai, I will make a note of that. Yes, students are expected to write a little more. And yes, Kasim Bhai, we will have a bit of more fortnight outing. Yes, Ashir Bhai. Yes, go ahead.
Acha, for Mandelas, what you can do is, you can give them a topic and you can ask them to discuss on it and present their views, so that it will improve their vocabulary and communication skill.
Bashir Bhai, trust me, Mandelas speak a lot. You go attend the business studies class. Yeah, I know some of the teachers speak a lot. Bracket में अल्फिया मैम बोलता हूँ मैं, but they are learning from the teachers. I think there are some of the teachers who have interacted with them. They've enjoyed Shruti ma'am's classes. It's wonderful, and yes, they will open up. So are you all ready for my little trivia round? Are my Mandelas ready? Can I quickly call upon, is Mudabbir around? I haven't seen him. Mudabbir, I'm sorry. Oh, there are, mashallah, a lot of groups here. So okay, Mudabbir, I can see. Wonderful.
Can I add something? I'm sorry.
Yes. No, please. This is your forum. Go ahead.
Just adding to your last question about kids' involvement in Golden Sparrow, I think I would like to add over here that I have seen that they have been given the freedom to think and speak. So they are not scared to speak. I mean, that is something which has been taken care. We don't have to worry if it's like their classes are there. So they have taken the responsibility. If they have not understood anything, they are in direct touch with the teacher also, even after the class, through WhatsApp or through email or through Google Classroom. So I think that communication, I'm happy about it. That we don't have to interfere in between. I mean, Alhamdulillah, Aisha and Amina, they are able to handle well. So they're upfront about it. They don't understand anything. They're, ma'am, I don't understand. Please explain again. So we don't have to keep on telling them, okay, if you didn't understand, tell ma'am, or anything like that. So that is one plus point. I think it's really hats off to you all.
No, thank you so much, Kainat Abba. Coming from someone who's teaching in one of the India's top education institute, it makes a difference what you mentioned. And yes, Kasim Bhai, all of you, what you're saying, these are just few months of online classes. There's so much to give to the kids. There's so much more that we want to do. All of us are limited because of the online world, but it has not made a mental block in either us or the children. It's just the beginning. I think 6 months is what we spend time with. Inshallah, a little more longer, and we'll actually have some wonderful moments we'll create around. You were adding something? Sister Shamila wanted to add something to it?
Yeah, actually, I wanted to add to Brother Kasim's point that we need to have more on-site meeting kind, because we are new too over here, and actually I don't know any of the parents. So I really, earlier in my kids' school, I had known many parents and I had bonded with them and I had discussed a lot of things, and really it's a very big, I mean, it's a growing point if the parents come together, they discuss. So yeah, I would like to have some meetings, so face-to-face meeting, like in person.
Absolutely. Trust me, I've been going to WeWork as often as I can. The moment they open up and allow, we will get started. Give us some time, probably that's very important how we planning. But yes, we'll have more physical interactions despite the classes probably being online, and then I'll give you the dates about it. Give me some time. My students have done some wonderful work preparing some questions for the 5 panelists. So just have a little trivia and then we'll take the last round of announcement. Are you good to go? Can I have Farhana Patel, the first one to go ahead? Farhana, introduce yourself. Who are you asking question? And it's your turn. Go ahead, please.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Farhana Patel, and my questions are for Shamila ma'am. So The first question is, would you prefer an Audi or a BMW?
Well, anything is okay for me as long as it runs. So doesn't matter much. I can say both.
Don't worry, Farhana, go ahead. Asif bhai is making note of that.
Well, I demanded him, but he didn't give me. So.
Wonderful. Go ahead, Farhana.
The second question is, would you prefer shopping from Amazon or Flipkart?
Amazon.
Yeah, she just returned from US. She should be reminded that way.
And the third question is, if you forget your wedding anniversary, what gift would you buy for your husband?
Oh. Well, to be true, we always forget our wedding anniversary. We have never ever celebrated it, except for maybe the first year. So yeah, we generally don't exchange gifts during wedding anniversary. But still, if I had to, I would give him a shirt.
So that's 20 years, 20 shirts that she's going to buy now.
Probably.
The fourth question, which skill is most important for a new age student?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Which skill is most important for a new age student?
Skill. Recently, I've been reading some books, listening to some lectures. Now I feel that finance is very important to understand with the current trend that is going on in this world. It's changing a lot. So yeah, I believe that most all the new kids should learn finance. That's what I think. The skill of how the finance economics works.
Wonderful. Farhana, are we done? You have a question?
No, I have a last question.
Oh, go ahead, please. Yes.
If you could introduce robotics or calligraphy in Golden Sparrow, what would you choose and why?
I would choose robotics because I am a technical person. I believe, yeah, technology. I'm not much into art. So yeah, I would introduce robotics.
That's wonderful. I think thank you so much, Farhana, for asking those amazing questions. And that's exactly what we're trying to create. Shamila, I think now more parents know you and probably more mothers will reach out to you and hopefully you know more of them. Quickly, I want a word from Shabana ma'am. She said a wonderful part about teaching finances, entrepreneurship. Who better than a Gujarati teaching business studies, being invited to Antilla. So where is Shabana ma'am? Quickly, can I have a word? How are the Mandelas doing? I'm specifically about Mandelas though. You teach business to both, right? How are the Mandelas doing with the business studies?
Well, we started with business studies and we decided why not go in for economics, just give them a basic idea. And trust me, I thought this kids would find it a bit hard cookie, but they were super amazing. The way they picked up to, I'm sure if I had to ask the parents, the demand law and the law of supply and how do you come to an equilibrium price, very rare it would be answered, but the kids are doing fantastic. I mean, imagine at this age, they know all the laws. So, and not only that, when I give them kind of questions to analyze, economic questions, and what do you think, if this is the demand and this is the quantity and how does it work about? And they come up with such brilliant answers. It's like fantastic. They've understood the concept right from now. So don't be surprised if down the line we have an economist coming from Mandela. I'm very sure about it. And all are doing brilliant. But Safia, yes, specifically Safia, she is outstanding in economics. I think, again, maybe Guju blood and a Guju teacher. So we rock Gujus, right?
So Shabana ma'am is showing off her students, so we take that, how business should be. She knows how to do. Are you Marwadi now? I'm suspecting that, but it's good to hear teachers appreciate the students. Can I quickly have my second co-speaker, moderator, Mudabbir? Are you ready with your questions? Who are you shooting them to? Please go ahead, Mudabbir.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mudabbir, and I have a few questions for Bashir, sir.
Okay. Welcome assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Can I
I'm using
start?
my mobile phone for audio actually. Tell me Mudabbir. Continue.
The first question is, the last time you traveled out of Mumbai?
Sorry, come again.
the last time
When
you
was the
traveled out
last
of Mumbai?
time you traveled
Out of Mumbai. It was, I think, last week. I think 15 days ago. I've been to Boisar for a business meeting.
Go ahead, Mudabbir.
The second question is Mukesh Ambani or Jack Ma? Why?
Jack Ma. I don't like Mukesh Ambani.
China is not banned right now. I'm not sure. I'll check with that, Bashir bhai. Okay, go ahead quickly. Yeah, Mudabbir, please go ahead.
Freedom of speech.
The third question is if you were a salaried employee instead of an entrepreneur, which company would you prefer?
I would love to join Tata's. I have a high regard for Tata's, unlike Mukesh Ambani's.
You get that? Okay. Yeah, Mudabbir.
The fourth question is who loves his wife more, you or Virat Kohli?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Are you ignoring the question?
No, I'm not ignoring.
Because
I
the
heard
question
only.
is like
Who loves his wife more, you or Virat Kohli?
Definitely, I love my wife more. I don't know about Virat Kohli, but definitely I love my wife more.
Now, sister will make a list of things he's buying for Anushka Sharma. So be prepared for that.
No, there was a question posed to Shamila ma'am. If she forgets the marriage anniversary, then what she'll give to her husband, like that, no? Then there's something come to my mind. If I miss to wish my wife, no, then I won't be alive. To next day to give a gift to her.
Achha, so you are living the same life that Imran bhai and Ashfaq are living. खौफ की जिंदगी जी रहे हैं आप लोग. अच्छा ठीक है. Mudabbir, please go ahead, Mudabbir.
That's it.
Okay, so Mudabbir, thank you so much. We got a little insight into Bashir bhai. I think Sakleen is so much like you. It took some time for him to open up, but once he did, I was so proud the way he spoke up and the way he spoke. I think I've got 3 more questions from 3 more panelists. Safia, are you ready to go next?
Yes.
Yeah, please tell me who are you speaking to and go ahead and introduce.
Hello, Dr. Mumtaz Aunty. I'm Safia White and I'm going to ask you a few questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. The first question is, do you like Messi or Ronaldo?
I don't like football, okay, but Ronaldo.
No, or Sharif bhai, you have third option also. You haven't seen him play football?
Ronaldo is also Taklu.
We'll edit this part, don't worry. Safia, please go ahead.
Okay. The second question to you is, why are doctors' handwriting so bad?
Well, my handwriting is not so bad, but there are lots of complicated spelling. So maybe, just if the handwriting is bad, they'll not be picked up on the spelling mistakes.
The third question to you is, who are smarter, doctor or businessman?
Oh, a doctor who's a businessman.
Who is smarter?
I am a businesswoman also and a doctor also. So doctors are smart.
Okay.
Diplomatic answer you gave.
Which social media are you most active on?
WhatsApp.
Okay. Spell stethoscope.
Oh. S-T-E. Oh, I can write it down. S-T-E-T-H-S-C-O-P-E.
Wrong. Incorrect. It was S-T-E-T-H-O-S-C-O-P-E. You missed.
That's why our handwriting is not right.
There you are. Oh, I think that.
Thank you so much.
That deserves an applause from both of you. Safia, wonderfully asked. Dr. Mumtaz, very creative answers. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Can we have Sakleen go ahead next?
So, Assalamu alaikum. My questions are for Qasim uncle. So, my first question is, would you be a very good father or a very successful business person?
Oh, that's deep.
Walaikum salam. I would like to be a good father first. Businesses after that.
Or you want to be like Dr. Mumtaz, a good father who's a successful businessman?
That's a good answer, actually.
Yes. Go ahead, Sakleen.
No, this,
Which is your favorite cartoon character?
Favorite cartoon character? I mean, nowadays, like Avengers and all, I like the most. We can call the hammer guy Thor.
Okay. And
कासिम भाई घर की बात बताने की जरूरत नहीं है क्या हो रहा है आपको मतलब you can be go ahead Sakleen, I'm so sorry, couldn't resist.
Okay. Third question is would you rather prefer Netflix or Amazon Prime?
Amazon Prime.
Okay. What is your last purchase on Amazon?
I recently bought a mobile from Amazon. Just yesterday it was delivered.
The last question is,
yeah, please go ahead.
If you could buy share for any blue chip company today, which one would it be?
When you say blue chip, like a technology based company, because I'm not that into much of share, I would buy LTI right now, being a technical company, because the shares are getting rised up right now.
I'll be making a note of that now. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much, Sakleen. Lovely question, the right questions to the right person. And Kasim bhai, loved your clarity of answers. Jazakallah. Thank you so much. We have the last question for the last panelist there. Mr. Mango, are you there?
Yes,
there he is. Yes, absolutely. Ahmed, go ahead. Shoot.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Qazi. And my questions are for Mehnaz auntie.
Alaikum salam. Go ahead.
Okay. So who do you like better, Imran Khan or Justin Trudeau?
That's a tough one. I think I'll go with Imran Khan.
Not Samir Kazi?
He just gave two options.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Who do you think is the best cook among Golden Sparrow mothers?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Who do you think is the best cook among Golden Sparrow moms?
Cook. That's a tough one too. Let's see. Can I say Rukhsar? I think so.
आसिम में हम लोग को दावत नहीं मिलती है भाई.
I'm just guessing it.
Oh, Abdul Majid bhai, that's lovely to hear that. चलो आज आपका dinner तो confirm है. All right, go ahead, Ahmed. This is nice.
Okay, third question.
Yeah.
What was your favorite TV show when you were a kid?
TV show. Okay. There were many actually. Let's see. I watched mostly cartoons, Tom and Jerry and stuff. I think those will be.
Fourth question.
Yeah.
Who would you recommend as India's new education minister?
Can I say Daud bhai?
मोदी सरकार ज्वाइन करनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ, agreed.
Ideal choice.
Yeah, Ahmed, please go ahead. They're done? All right. Thank you so much. Ahmed, thank you so much. Very nicely. That's Ahmed for you. Straight focus choice, but he has so many things to ask. Mr. Mehnaz, Mr. Shamila, Dr. Mumtaz, all of you, Bashir and Kasim bhai, thank you so much for such amazing answers.
Thank you so much.
You have questions for me? ये तो था नहीं script में. Okay, Bashir bhai.
No, actually, whenever in your sessions you take everyone for a world tour. I've noticed that you cover almost all the continents. So it's related to geography. I'm like, if you can't answer, then I'll post it to the other panelists. I'm like, which country is bigger in size, Australia or Brazil?
Australia or Brazil? I think it should be Brazil.
Correct answer.
Okay.
And okay, next question is, what percentage of world population lives in Northern Hemisphere?
Northern Hemisphere, maybe
Yeah.
10-20%.
What percentage of world population lives in Northern Hemisphere?
Is Africa above or help me guys? I don't know.
No, it's above the equator. Northern Hemisphere.
Above the India is above the equator. I think almost 70% of world population.
Okay, the answer is 90%.
90%. Okay, that's nice. I think Golden Sparrow में मुझे marks मिल जाएंगे. I know my teachers.
That's all from my side. Okay.
Thank you so much, everybody. I think thank you so much. I value your time. I value. This was a small get-together kind of thing. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कुछ सीखा हमने. We heard some parenting styles. I got your feedback in your worded answers. I heard you, and inshallah, this is the way we want to go forward. A few quick announcements before I do a breakout room, and this is an optional. I know some of you have kids to tend to dinners to do. One announcement is about holidays. So we always start to talk about holidays. We are not going to give a very long winter vacation for the simple reason that most of us aren't very inclined to traveling. We are, some of you, but instead we are planning a 25th Jan to a 5th Feb holiday. Anyway, these sare messages I'll put in the nest, so everyone is on the nest. If anyone is not there, please let me know if I missed you out. So yeah, around 10, or it's actually a 14-day holiday from 25th, which is a Monday, to 5th Feb, which is a Friday. That's a holiday. So anyone's planning any vacations, anything, we also think in Golden Sparrow, because as a team, your flights are cheaper, your hotel bookings are cheaper if you give an off season. So go ahead. Amir, Ashfaq, आप लोग अपनी holidays plan कर रहे हैं, तो this is the time. December you will have the 25th, the standard one, or plus or minus 1 or 2 days, but not a long winter vacation. Anyone is planning something else, please drop a message. Yeah, thank you so much. I see some celebration from Rushda. It must be Rushda, not Ahmed. Okay. Number two, the exams. ये एक news ऐसी है, जितना मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि January से हम school शुरू कर दें, we get to WeWork, but it's not happening. I'm in some panels of some schools. So Chennai has already declared this whole year it's going to be an academic year online. Well, we will make sure that our kids are meeting very often now on a monthly basis. We will do, but the classes will be online for the rest of the year. So we are doing an early closure. We will finish the classes in March. और अप्रैल के जो पहले 10 दिन है, I will have my summative examination and everything around it. 10th April, which is actually also coinciding with the beginning of Ramadan, we are giving a 2-month holiday after that. Ideally, I don't want you to push yourself. It becomes a little difficult after all the suhoor, but it was not meant for that. But this, because of the pandemic, hopefully when you restart in June, we'll have a fresh start. So that's another announcement that I'm sharing with you. Anyone, as always, you can even tell me now, अगर कोई ऐसी चीज है, आपको एहसास, आपको any, please share now. But these are second announcement. The third one with regards to fees, I've been holding on, and you've been very polite, very, very honestly polite, not asking. We've calculated everything we could. Right now, we are looking at a 10% waiver for till December. So 10% accounts to whatever 9,000 rupees. That is immediately waived. If you have credited it, it will be as a credit note against your name. And then for the next few months, also when we are not going to join WeWork, you'll have another credit note like that. So that's the announcement on the fee waiver that we've done. Of course, maybe in the pandemic we could not give a larger waiver. Honestly speaking, you can look at the book accounts. We are putting a lot of effort on paying from our end, so Sky Education, in regards to WeWork. Because both of them didn't happen, this is the best we could work it out. ये तीसरी चीज है. चौथी चीज है कि we are trying a trial breakout room from next week. Don't worry, we'll not immediately start on Monday, maybe Tuesday. Your kids will be aware of it. Just जब भी आप register करें, whenever you log into Zoom, you will not be able to log in after some time through a unidentified mobile device. So please log in through the email ID that you are using for your child, or whatever email ID you're choosing. Ask me and we will do a demo with the kids. So don't worry, each child, even Curies, will be taught this. But I'm sure everyone logs in from your own devices with a proper name. For example, it is Farhana's name. So Farhana logs in from mobile phone. If Moazzam logs in from a particular device, they all log in through the one device that they have. We will always ensure that they log in through that device. It's also enhancing the security and making the breakout rooms easier. Right now, I'll do a trial breakout room and you'll realize physically I have to manually put you in the breakout room. So that's the third announcement. I wanted to show you a sample timetable for going onwards, for 15 December onwards. And this is something we worked out. Trust me, the toughest job is to make a timetable. I wish there was a software that could help me out. But we have now 5 divisions going from 15 December. We adding on teachers, we adding more programs. And that's what किसी ने आज मुझे पूछा गोल्डन स्पैरो दूसरे ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन से अलग कैसे है. Trust me, I could not answer it. I said maybe it's more like an experience. I can't say हम ये कर रहे हैं, कोई शायद ऐसा कोई बहुत बड़ा काम नहीं करे, but whatever little we are trying to do, we are making a lot of effort. We are introducing German now. We've identified a teacher. There was a demo class. So from right to Curie, German classes will be on. Once this beginner's course इनका खत्म हो जाएगा, we will go for Tagore and Mandela. ICTs are being introduced. There's a drama class that's being introduced. But these are the classes. Because the classes are still being online, we have created a 4-day week instead of 5-day week. So if you look, Fridays are off for Tagore and Mandela, entire Friday, and Mondays are off for Wright, Curie, and Newton. आपने देखा है कि we've almost changed the timetable 3 times in the last 6 months. You know, दो चीज हो सकती है, या तो हम ये देखें अरे पेरेंट्स क्या सोचेंगे, पर हम ये सोचते हैं कि हम बच्चों के लिए क्या अच्छा कर सकते हैं. Whatever we can do the best for the children. So this is a new timetable. Don't worry. This timetable we are trying to use one link for everybody to log in, and that is why the next week will be a little breakout room experience. If it works very well, instead of creating 5 links, we'll have 1 link to go ahead with. कोई सवाल है? Of course, this will be shared with you once the teachers and everything is finalized after the breakout room. But these are some small announcements that I shared with you. मैं ये announcement, ये सारे pointers मैं nest में फिर भी डाल दूंगा. Any suggestion, any question? I'm opening a breakout room for the mothers and for the fathers, so we can do some discussion. But if you want a common question and asking, please go ahead. The panelists, I'm recommending anything you want to add up. Yes, Sister Shamila, please go ahead.
I would suggest you to have a same, like since Mandela's having Friday off, is it possible to have the same thing with Rights of Curie? So that
all of them are Fridays off. That is something I would have loved to do. I know, yes, with 3 children in 3 groups right now, I think I echo what you're saying, but it was the paucity of the teachers. Because we have some of the teachers overlapping, and that is why we could not break. So we did the 3 groups together and the first 2 groups together. I know what you're talking about. It's easier as a parent, the whole day is off. Let me still go back to the drawing board and see if that is possible. But because of the teachers, I think we're already stretching some of the teachers to do 3 classes in a day. And I don't want the efficiency to lose out on. Also, we're keeping the Fridays off for the primary thing. If we have a sports meet, I can get the big groups together and I can get the younger group. I already spoke to Nerul Gymkhana. The day swimming is on, I'm getting my kids and splashing in the water. So the younger ones come together and the elder ones come together. That's the whole idea. But thank you. I will look into the suggestion.
Okay, whatever suits better for you.
No, thank you so much for understanding what you're saying. Anything else? Anyone wants to add something? I know I've already taken 1 hour of your time. Can I open the breakout room? Ji, walaikum salam. Please go ahead.
Sir, you mentioned कि एक डिवाइस से उनको लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा.
जी,
but
right.
Sometimes it's Wi-Fi problem, so they connect to other mobile. So अगर एक ही से connect करेंगे तो problem हो जाएगा ना. जब Wi-Fi नहीं रहेगा तो दूसरा डिवाइस करना ही पड़ेगा.
नहीं, absolutely okay. मैं जो कह रहा हूँ, अगर कभी ऐसा होता है तो बच्चे see breakout rooms are like a lobby in a classroom. आप lobby में हैं तो टीचर बता सकता है अपने आप, उसको नहीं मालूम बच्चे को तो टीचर कहेगा आप क्लास 1 में चले जाइए, क्लास 2 में चले जाइए. अगर आप लॉग इन करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वी विल बी डायरेक्टेड टू द क्लासरूम. सो इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, एंड कभी-कभी होता है, देयर इज अ डिफरेंट डिवाइस यू यूज, देन देयर इज समबडी सिटिंग देयर टू पुट देम अक्रॉस. बट रोज के लिए अगर आप वो डिवाइस यूज करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी पुट इनटू द ब्रेकआउट रूम्स. सो डोंट वरी, अगर कभी ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आता है तो somebody will be always sitting there to put the child in the right rooms.
Daud bhai, one suggestion.
जी आमिर.
फॉर दिस ईयर अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स का डे रख रहे हैं तो उसी को पेरेंट्स मीटिंग का डे भी रख दीजिए फॉर अ म्यूचुअल मीट.
ओके, दिस इज अ लवली सजेशन. अगर हम मोस्ट लाइकली हमारा स्पोर्ट्स जो होगा नेहरू जिमखाना में, हम टर्फ और स्विमिंग दोनों का सोच रहे हैं, तो जो पेरेंट्स आते हैं, प्रोबेबली यू कैन ऑल सिट टुगेदर. Maybe if not officially, we can have unofficial meets very often, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good, Amir. This is a good suggestion. Anything else? Yes, please go ahead.
जैसे कि the correcting the kids sentence, whenever they are not correcting themselves, teacher can correct them.
Okay. As in, okay, is that Sister Farhana ma'am? Ji. Right.
No, it's Anas.
Okay, Sister. Okay, ji.
Yeah. While they are speaking to teachers, they are not correcting the sentences. As if I'll talk about Anas only. He is not. वो correct sentence नहीं बोल पाता. And teacher can tell him कि you just correct your sentence. So उसको English के लिए proper sentences मिल जाएंगे, words मिल जाएंगे.
Made a note of that, sister. Sister Shabana and Alfia ma'am, both of you are around. So just make a note of that. That of course, I don't worry. The kids the fact that they're speaking, they will speak good English. The lit circle is meant for the public speaking skills, but inshallah, it is a point
I would,
value taken.
Daud
Ji,
bhai, I would
ji.
like to add something to that.
Yes.
He's speaking for any child. If they're speaking and on the spot, sometimes when you correct them, also that could be detrimental also, because he would get more conscious.
Okay, that's a absolutely. Dr. Mumtaz very well said. But don't worry. The fact that the kids are opening and speaking up, I've taken your pointers, and this will always be added. Do not hesitate to share your point. But she's right that sometimes कभी-कभी बच्चों को immediately नहीं correct करके we improve on a certain different way. Right?
Yeah, I agree.
I think what I really wanted to do was the mothers to have a small meetup and have a little get together. I can see some of you. Shazia, if you're around, I would like you to take up the meetup. I'm opening up a breakout room, but क्योंकि mothers को मैं मिला रहा हूँ, मैं time भी रख रहा हूँ. वरना वो 2 घंटे भी हो सकते हैं उसमें, तो मैं 15 मिनट आप लोगों को देता हूँ. Say hello to each other, and the fathers will probably create another breakout room for all of you. So this is the manual room. So that's the only thing. I'm just making a first quick one. अगर कोई मदर्स रूम में फादर्स चले जाते हैं भूल से, बिकॉज आई एम ओनली लुकिंग एट योर नेम एंड पुटिंग अक्रॉस, और कैन आई जस्ट मेक 2 rooms and can you go ahead on your own? All of you, are you aware of using the breakout rooms? Okay, don't worry. Are your names according to your gender? Like I can see all of you with the names out there. Sister Ghazala, Humaira Qazi, I'm sure this is Qasim Bhai, right? Okay, 1 minute. I'll just put the first group और मुझे एहसास हो जाएगा who is not in the breakout room.
My name is properly mentioned as Mohammad Qasim.
Okay, I'm just opening the first room and I'm assigning it. So, okay. The rest of you, जो लोग गए हैं breakout room, just join the breakout room. Others are here. Others are going to stay in the first room. And if there's a mother, I'll put you in the breakout room. All the mothers have gone to the breakout room. Don't worry. So. कोई ऐसा यहाँ है? Any mother left here? I can see Qasim Bhai, Amir, Munib. I think we are done. You can take a break. Call your father so we can have a discussion. Asim hai, Bashir Bhai hai, Ashfaq, are you around? All the Mandelas can take a break now. You're done. Majid Bhai is here. Are we done? No mother around? Good. And if any father or mother has been left there, they will join us.
ऐसा क्या बोलने वालों के सब मेरे पास में और मदर्स आर गॉन आउट.
माजिद भाई, डर तो मुझे वो वाले ब्रेकआउट रूम का, वो हमारे बारे में क्या बात करने वाले हैं. नहीं, I think everyone, I can't thank you enough.
Jazakallah. I'm your Hamza's mother. I have his message also.
1 minute. Yes, sister Anas के नाम से है ना. I'll just put you in the breakout room. जी.
Hamza.
अच्छा, okay, right. Sorry.
I've written my name.
Okay, yes. No, it's okay. No, I'm just putting the name Hamza in the first breakout room. Anyone else is left here? I hope. और कोई है जिनको मैंने नहीं डाला है breakout room में? Everyone's here. All fathers only.
Yes.
Okay. No, Jazakallah. I think मकसद ये है कि mothers wanted to a small team member where they can open up and speak to each other. So that is much better. हम लोग तो मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह. Are you coming, Abdul Majid bhai? There's a football at 9 o'clock today.
No, unfortunately, I won't be able to come. I was trying to get Mozam and Mudabir, but they are like, we are not in the mood to play today. So.
Okay, no, it's okay. If anyone wants us to pick your kids, please don't hesitate. Bashir bhai, खाली उल्वे मत बुलाइएगा. But Qasim bhai, girls also come in. So tomorrow, if you all are busy, that's what we keep saying. If you want Humaira to come in and be picked up, there's Amir next door. Ashfaq is around. Just don't.
Virtual background हटा देना.
So we are talking about that. I really wanted your advice, Qasim bhai. You've been in the Majid bhai. Are you still working from home, both of you? Because आप लोग technology में हैं. Are you still working from home?
Yes, I'm still working from home, and probably before Jan, there are no chances. But most likely, I'm going to be working till March, I believe, from home.
See, I went to WeWork 2-3 times, and as much as I want to, अगर एक महीना भी मुझे मिलता है, I want the kids to come to WeWork for next 1 month. I'm sorry, is that the background noise? Okay, hold on. 1 minute, I'll just mute. Okay, so just okay, ठीक है. I think you all had some background noise, maybe. So एक महीना भी मुझे मिलता है, तो I will make sure that the kids can be a part of that program where we can just show them what they want to do. But otherwise, what I'm planning, these are my planners I want to share with the fathers, is when the pandemic eases out, I think इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटी में हम लोग सब लोग या एटलीस्ट थोड़े लोग तो 1-2 दिन के लिए कहीं गए हैं या जाने का इरादा कर रहे हैं. So Alhamdulillah, we all trust each other. We know the child should be safe, not sick, not tough around. I'm planning these outings for the bigger groups. So inshallah the parents will also be accompanying. So we have got couples. So Shabana ma'am agar aate hain to Imran Patel is there as a father. Imran bhai, are you there? No. So I'm looking at free nahi milega Imran bhai, aapko pay karna padega just because you are husband of a teacher, aisa nahi hai. But you're planning as couples to take the Mandelas and the Tagores together. 2-3 जगह है जहाँ overnight stay बहुत अच्छा है. So those are my ideas, probably somewhere in Jan. ये एक program है. Number 2 is if you can meet, let's even say something like a McDonald's meeting. Is it okay, Abdul Majid bhai? Oh, I'm very scared of you. No, alhamdulillah. I know, pull your leg, but alhamdulillah, mashallah with Ashfaq and all, yeah, McDonald's तो होगा नहीं. ये तो मुर्गे खाने जाते हैं. तो कहीं भिवंडी में एक जगह है जहाँ, I want the kids to have experience where we can walk together. So if you all have an idea, don't hesitate. आमिर, तुम्हारे पास बहुत आइडियाज है, गाड़ी भी तुम्हारी बड़ी है, तो ऐसे लोग अच्छे दोस्त होते हैं. अगर कोई आइडिया है कि हम हमारे ग्रुप में बच्चों को ले जा सकते हैं, I will be more than happy to do that hangouts with each other. And don't worry, अगर आप लोग busy हैं, at some point you all are tired and you don't, we will make sure that the kids go together. You know how we went for the quiz. It was in Jan, right? एक साल होने आया है. 25th of Jan that we had a huge quiz. And we took 3 cars and the kids went together, something on those lines. Koi idea, koi suggestion, please go ahead. Any areas that we can go? Ashfaq, if he's around. Imran bhai, Asif bhai, ये सब travelers हैं. Qasim bhai, Majid bhai, if you know them, they are the ones who go. Amir, कोई ऐसी जगह हम जा सकते हैं? Asim,
दाऊद भाई, मैं लोकल नहीं जाता हूँ.
अच्छा, ये टर्किश जी, ये हमारे टर्किश एयरलाइन वाले हैं. Okay, I'll do that inshallah. So Imran bhai, पर कोई ऐसी जगह जो हम लोग साथ जा सकते हैं? Suggestion something.
बजटिंग को ध्यान में रखो.
Amir, this is on Golden Sparrow, all right. बड़े वादे हो जाते हैं, but inshallah मेरा honest इरादा और कोशिश ये है कि hopefully I'm putting Sister Rubina into that group. Is that okay, Sakle Bashir bhai?
Yeah,
I've done that. But this is Amir, इसीलिए मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि मतलब इंटरनेशनल में इग्नोर कर रहा हूँ. ऐसे कोई पास कोई जगह शोलापुर चले जाएंगे, इसरार में गाँव, तो सस्ते में हो जाएगा.
Some kids love the water sports. So something which has a swimming pool or something water sports.
We can look for a resort some nearby and get it for all our Golden Sparrow kids, and everybody can go together, chip in, whatever it is.
This is good, Imran. I'm very, see, the students are someone we are already willing to, I want to take the students, right? But parents can join in. I don't know, I'll ask the students if they want you here with them.
No, first year.
Amir, Asim.
बोल आसिम
मेरा सजेशन था कि फार्म हाउस है विद स्विमिंग पूल, किसी जगह फार्म हाउस है तो
आसिम ऑडिबल नहीं है
जगह पे होगा.
अच्छा आसिम, जो मैं मेक आउट कर रहा हूँ, जो मैं शायद थोड़ा फार्म हाउस और स्विमिंग पूल साथ हो. भाई कोई सलमान भाई को जानते हैं क्या? वो पनवेल में ही उनका ना
सलमान भाई,
हमारे दबंग वाले. हाँ, तो नहीं, पर
in case if you want, you can always take. See, that's the thing. And if you want to do an overnight thing, then probably you can do some bungalows or something in Alibag or Lonavala. Those are available, like for maybe 40,000-50,000, and around 30 odd people can stay there and with food and everything. So there are a lot of such like Saffron stays, or even you can check out Airbnb. So that's close by also, and they will have swimming pool, which will be only for our kids or our family.
Yes.
And that might be much more cleaner, or you have the place or entire place for you. So that is something which probably kids might want.
I'm seriously, Abdul Majid, this is a very good suggestion. I'm seriously planning a small. See, the idea last year when we had done the calculating and the scheduling, there is a place where they go for stargazing. Maharashtra mein bahut kareeb mein. I had a plan to take the kids there. Because of the corona, that is not happening now. And this was in December. There is something called Geminite showers. You stay overnight and you see it is beautiful. And we had already budgeted and planned that outing mein hum bachcho ko le jayenge. But because that's not happening, we can go to something place where we can only take the kids. So with 3 suggestions aaye hain jo I'm seeing. One is what Amir said, like a water theme park, which is a day-long thing. या सिर्फ बच्चों के साथ कोई ऐसी जगह जाएं, like somewhere like Lonavala bhi gaye, but pool hai, but that's like a small resort. But what Abdul Majid bhai says, we can actually invite the parents and that's only our time. And then we can plan it around the kids' time, bigger girls and mothers' time, and the father's time. But that's also doable. Most likely, we're looking at Jan. हम दिसंबर में कुछ भी नहीं देख रहे, so all of you can plan your little trips in December wherever you're going, जो भी जा रहे हैं, right? But Jan जो 25 से 5 तारीख है, या तो वो या तो उसके आगे या पीछे. I mean, it could be a very much part of a school schedule also. Like Friday हम off ले लें और Saturday हम आ जाएं या Sunday आ जाएं, something like that.
So Daud bhai, quick suggestion from my side as well. Rivergate Resort is very good. I've been there with family and friends as well multiple times. That's a good resort where we have a dedicated swimming pool and we can book the entire place over there. That's one. And in fact, Mahabaleshwar is a very good place to explore for kids. And I mean, it's been every year I've been traveling to Mahabaleshwar, so I like the place Mahabaleshwar very well. So these are two suggestions that I
made a note of that. I just don't want a place where say बच्चे अच्छा ये अब्बा के साथ भी आए, आपके साथ भी आ रहे. So I like Rivergate. Is that in Mahabaleshwar also?
दाऊद भाई, एक सजेशन ये था कि बच्चों को ऐसी चीज दिखाई जाए जो उन्होंने देखी नहीं हो, जैसे कि something like parachute, that is
paragliding.
Paragliding in Alibag Kim Beach, there is a paragliding also.
Water sports, you mean?
Water sports, something like.
I can check with Asif bhai who recently went. I'm sorry, Asif bhai, if that was a secret, everybody knows now. But if it's a good place, I can find out if it's good or not. थोड़े 2-3 लोग आप लोग गए होंगे. But this is good. Just I'm making a note. आप लोग जो बता रहे हैं मैं उनका note कर रहा हूँ. But other than that,
और एक एक्सपेंसिव ऑप्शन है डेलास एडवेंचर.
मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आई कासिम.
डेलास
वो एक्सपेंसिव के बाद मुझे आवाज नहीं आई.
हाँ, एक और एक्सपेंसिव ऑप्शन है. अच्छा.
Dela is a lovely place. I don't know if Dela is truly good. वहाँ वो जो petting the dog है, milking the cow है, there's some very interesting areas.
I've been there. I liked it.
Okay. No, it is a lovely place. It's a Parsis place, so you will see it very neat and clean. Let me work out a budget. If anyone is free and somebody can do that, I also do it. अगर आपको लगता है free time में ऐसा देखना है, there are coupons available. Maybe we can do a bulk booking. Maybe आप लोग out हो जाएंगे, आपके बच्चों को मैं ले जा सकूँ, I'll be very happy to do that. And then I'll. But Dela is a good option, Kasim bhai. I agree with you.
Daud bhai.
जी Bashir bhai.
Daud bhai, I have to meet one person in Seawood now.
No.
So can I join after that?
No. Bashir bhai, meeting is over. Meeting is officially over. Alhamdulillah, today was more like just few announcements and sharing the ideas and just आप लोग से बात करने. Go ahead, Bashir bhai, go ahead.
After that, I'll come for the football.
हाँ, right. That is on. Don't worry. और ये वो तो हमारे कैप्टन इमरान भाई इधर ही है.
Okay.
कैप्टन और कोच अशफाक मोहम्मद ही है. I don't know where
मदिया, तुम इधर कहाँ से जॉइन होगे?
Okay, is she around? I'll put her.
Mubin bhai, Ronaldo.
Done. I put मैंने उनको वो ग्रुप में डाल दिया है. Okay, I think from the father's end कुछ और आपको suggest करना है कुछ.
Yeah, Daud bhai.
जी.
Daud bhai, this is Asif here. Assalamu alaikum.
Asif bhai, welcome salam. Oh.
Walaikum salam.
Yeah, sorry. My one suggestion is, I think it's a great idea to get together with all the families because we really need to meet all of you guys. I really want to meet you all. So one option is like your stargazing option is actually really amazing. If we could do that, that would be the best. If not, another suggestion is camping. So near Pauna Lake, Lonavala, they have camping options overnight.
That is a good option.
They give tents to each families based on the people, and they also give food and everything. So just a thought.
Very good thought. In fact, Asif bhai, I just went to Pauna 2 weeks back. Trust me, I love the place. If the families are together, we'll have a huge, wonderful time. The roads are a little difficult to go, but I would immediately look into it, and maybe if we can do a bulk booking. Probably will happen in Jan, not so soon in December. But
where exactly is located?
Pauna, Lonavala से 1 और घंटा आप दूर है, तो 2.5 hours you are in Pauna. But very good suggestion.
Not a problem.
So we can look into that. I think हमारी meeting यहीं खत्म होती है और कुछ conductive बात नहीं है. But anyone in terms of academics, but that is my goal. Mashallah, I'm seeing teachers put a lot of effort. We're adding more teachers into it. The kids are coming out, alhamdulillah. And the core, in fact, Shruti ma'am called us and she was so worried. 2022 science, math, how do I teach? I can see that the concern, that love in them. Mashallah. So each teacher has a different flavor they bring to the classes. So any suggestion, any question, you don't hesitate, not only in the meeting, beyond the meeting, don't, just drop a message and I'll be around talking to you. If your, child is not attending very well, बहुत video game देखते हैं. Usually it's not in the elder kids, but कभी-कभी younger में होता है. We have a counselor on board who we keep coming and asking, इनसे मिल लीजिए, उनसे मिल लीजिए. So anywhere possible, that's why I say ये community है. This is a small tribe. That's what Golden Sparrow means to me. Each one of you, inshallah, are very close friends now. I keep meeting you. So on that note, Jazakallah for being a part of this, and Barakallah Feek. I will have to stay back.
Where is the football? Where is the
Asif
football?
bhai, football. I think Ashfaq is the right person to answer. I will. Ashfaq, are you there? I'm direction wale.
ये अपना कौन सा डिस्पेंसरी कौन सी मर गया वो नेक्सस के सामने एक अपनी लाइन है, उधर से जाएंगे तो आपका कौन सा स्कूल वो दाऊद में सेंट जेवियर स्कूल नेक्सस के सामने अपोजिट लाइन है, वहां से आप लेफ्ट मारोगे तो सेंट जेवियर स्कूल पूछोगे तो उसका ग्राउंड है।
लेफ्ट साइड में विन बार है नेरुल में,
सेम लेन,
हाँ सेम लेन
वही लेन में अंदर आना है और राइट साइड पे आगे जाके देयर इज दिस सेंट जेवियर स्कूल, सो वी हैव बुक्ड 2 टर्फ्स देयर।
In Nerul,
which sector is this one, Daud bhai?
सेक्टर मुझे भी याद नहीं। आसिफ भाई, I'm SMSing जो अभी उन्होंने बताया। नेक्स्ट, if you Google Nexus
मध्य स्क्रीन के पास में मत रखो मोबाइल।
Win bar, okay, not a very good location, but
it's sector 3 opposite St. Xavier School. अभी just 3 to 5 में book करके we all went, my group with my family, we were there.
So we have booked it. Ashfaq and Imran bhai are the co-coordinators. 9 to 10 every Saturday we used to play. So pehli bar after pandemic we are starting it. If anybody, Asif bhai, if you want to drop in and say take Ahmed with you, just come and drive by and go back. We'll be around. If you call me, we'll guide you. If that's 9 o'clock, inshallah. I have no idea what's the time now. We have to finish. Oh, it's only half an hour. So Jazakallah everybody. Assalamu alaikum.
One more thing.
No. Yeah. Please, Ahmed.
Last thing is,
Abdul Majid, yeah.
I don't know probably Asif by face. Okay, so since we are not meeting, probably we can just switch on his camera. So at least I know how does he look like. That's not it.
बहुत फोटोजेनिक नहीं है ना, इसलिए कैमरा नहीं ऑन करते हैं। Asif bhai is someone who was traveling, mashallah. He was in Azerbaijan a week before I met. That's why I introduced him to Aziz bhai, whose daughter's Kazakhstan, and that's how we know each other, alhamdulillah. His sons, Ahmed, Abdul Majid bhai, all the 3 kids were in IS, so I think they know Mudabbir or Muazzam. They were in the same class.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Mudabbir and Ahmed were in the same class.
Yes. So there you are, alhamdulillah. So anyone who's dropping in, just call me and we'll take it. Qasim bhai, next time you have to join our group also. 2 बार football खेलना होगा आपको.
Inshallah.
No, inshallah you can get Humaira. She'll meet the friends and everybody around. That's about it.
Sure, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah everybody. Barakallah feek. I have to be in the meeting for the sisters. You all can leave. Barakallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.